Take a ride in the 2013 XTS. The Cadillac XTS will have every kind of feature you can think of. It comes with a spacious, high-tech cabin and packed with lots of safety features. It is a full-size luxury cruiser, a pleasant ride for any Caddy owner, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, braking assist, airbags, front knee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.